There.
All right, so I got a question from a listener about so we're coming up on spring, right? And we've got lots of pollen that's shaking loose all over the place. I mean, it was about a month ago, my car, my driveway, my yard covered in oak pollen, just crazy. So the question is, what essential oils are good for spring when the pollen count gets as high as it is, especially here in South Texas? And what we use in our family and is very effective is lemon, lavender, and peppermint. Those are like our three go-tos, right? Which is great, and they can be used individually, but combined, they're very, very effective as well, at least in my experience. And I remember this came up actually when we were talking to Jen O'Sullivan not too long ago. So, what I recommend is if you guys are going to use that lemon, lavender, and peppermint, is that you can diffuse it, right? That's a great place to start, is just kind of help, create a good environment, that you're in, clean that area up a little bit. And then if that's not enough, you want an extra little kick, you can take some of the oils internally. Now, you can do what we talked about before, which is putting lemon and peppermint in your water. I don't think you would want to use lavender in your water because that can be a bit ripe. You want to,
Lavender lemonade can be pretty yummy,
it
though.
can, but I would work your way up to putting lavender in your water.
Mm-hmm.
So, without some sweetener anyway. But anyway, you can also put it in a capsule. Lemon, lavender, peppermint. I would do about 3 drops each and put a carrier oil in there, especially if you're brand new to it. That's something that Jen O'Sullivan talked about as well. Now, as far as itchy, watery eyes goes, now I get this when I get, we have a cat, and sometimes my eyes will blow up on me a little bit, and then of course, even seasonal stuff can cause my eyes to blow up a little bit. Well, I'll take lavender straight out of the bottle. So this is straight application. Put about 2 drops in my hand. I'll stir it a little bit I'll rub my hands together, and then I'll apply it over my forehead, nose, and then around my eyes. Careful not to get too close. And that works like 90% of the time. It works on the first application. Sometimes I have to do it again as well, but those are my favorites to do with respect to the seasonal stuff.